A quick one from me on cable cutters. This is some 5x16mm YY. It's the sort of thing we use for connecting up inverters. Um, we have some run-of-the-mill bog standard cable cutters. This sort of thing is absolutely fine for cutting through, your 25, 35, that sort of thing. They're branded by everyone under the sun. They're all much of a muchness. These are CPC's own brand. Duratool, they're perfectly adequate. I've used Barco ones, they're exactly the same. Uh, yeah, well, you can see what the problem there is. They're just not big enough. Nowhere near big enough. Knipex installation pliers. These things are great, but again, yeah, exactly. Side cutters, again, you can cut individual strands with any of these, but you can't cut the whole lot. I suppose you could mash your way through there, but that's just going to be awful. What I'm wondering, this is the wrong tool for the job. I don't have the right tool for the job at the moment. It's on the way. This is the wrong tool for the job. It's a pipe cutter for plastic pipe, and this works really well for plastic pipe, but it fits in really well there, and I'm wondering what happens if you just sort of do that. Oh, well, that works really well. No obvious damage to the blade. I mean, you'd look like a right idiot if you turned up on a job site with this, but that's done a really nice job. The previous end was cut at the wholesaler, and honestly, the pipe cutter, you can't ask for a better job than that. Well, there you go. If you want a good way of cutting big cable, why not try a plastic pipe cutter? I've also discovered you can use them to cut the sheath off. Just sort of do a little bit of a trundle round, and the practice run lined up a bit better than that.